In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant VAN 152 error code. Now, if you get this, it's probably because you've been HWID banned, and this is what happens if you use a VPN sometimes or other sort of third-party software. Now, there are only two ways that I know of that can fix this. Is one, to replace your network card, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea to try and avoid a ban from Riot. So the second option would be to contact Riot Games and ask them about it, and they might be able to remove it if you had any legitimate reasons. Unfortunately, those are some bad news, because those are the only ways that you can fix it. Now, if you got this, the best solution would be to contact the Riot Games. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.